So we're going to talk a little bit about the Koch brothers. So the Koch brothers were really active in the libertarian movement from the 1980s into 2000, 2010s. They played a big role in shaping conservatism in the United States. So back in the 90s, with their Koch Industries company, they were warned about pipeline that had cracks, there was corrosion, there were inspectors that flagged it, and the Koch brothers chose not to fix it. Uh, the pipeline exploded and it killed two teenage boys in Texas who were burned alive. Court evidence showed falsified records, showed that there was a company culture where they determined that it was cheaper to just pay for the fines instead of to fix the pipes. And the jury called it reckless disregard for human life. They were hit with a $296 million wrongful death judgment. So these two boys died because the Koch brothers essentially were trying to save money by not repairing the pipes. This shows just some of the problems with libertarianism, that if you have fines that are low enough, you can have companies that just do the math and determine like the odds of an accident happening are so low that we'll just risk it because we don't want to pay the costs necessary to make it safe. Again, Koch brothers, they also fought for Citizens United. They've just poured insane amounts of money, tens of millions of dollars into our political system. They have a lot of think tanks that promote libertarian views. They played a huge role in the last 40 years of the conservative movement.